this is everything that we're going to cover today. So the main new formula, and this is at the top of your packet. I'm just using regular paper. This is in your packet. Remember, a sub 1 is now. A sub n is now. A sub 1 is the very first term. And we're going to do 3 parts, but they're all basically back to finding the formula. And what I want to mention is that the formula is this. So if I ever ask you for the formula, this is what we're looking for. All right, so before we get started, guys, I've made a flow chart for you to find this stuff, and this is not in your packet anywhere. So if you could please write this down. Go ahead and hit pause on the video and write this down. To find the formula, you need the difference, which is given to us. You need a sub 1, which is given. We need the constant, which is not given. It's never given. And the constant is a1 minus the difference. So the constant is going to be 1 minus 3. So the constant is -2. And then we also have everything we need now to write the formula. So the formula, remember, it's always in this format. A sub n equals 3n minus 2. And that's it. That's how we're going to write the formula for this stuff. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So again, for the next one, we need the difference, which we have. It's -8. We need a sub 1, which we have is 100. And we need these two to find the constant. And remember, the constant is a1 minus d. So 100 minus a -8, that's going to give us a positive 108. All right, so now that we have that, we're able to write the formula. So it's going to be a sub n equals -8n plus 108. And that's how we write the formula. Now, I do have to say these are super easy problems because they give us these. Sometimes those are missing. Number 3 is a level 1 problem also. We're just going to leave everything in terms of x. So, d is given, it's 2x. a1 is given, it's x. Remember, your constant is the subtraction of these two. So a1 minus d, our constant is going to be -x. So our formula is a sub n equals d times n minus the constant, or I'm sorry, with the constant. The constant is a negative, so it's -x. That's it. Okay. Now let's start leveling up a little bit. So guys, if you look at problem 4, remember we need the difference, don't have it. We need a1, don't have it. We need both of these to find c. And then after that, we're going to be able to write the formula. So remember, when the d is not given, it's almost like a slope kind of process. It's the change of the terms over the change of the position. So it is going to be 85 minus 94 divided by the position it's in. 85 is the 6th, so 6 minus the 3rd. This is how we're going to get D. So 85 minus 94 is a negative 9. 6 minus 3, of course, is just a 3. So guys, my D value is negative 3. All right, let's talk about finding the A value. Remember, if the A value is not given, we have to solve. We're going to use this formula, which is in your packet, and we're going to solve for A. So A sub n equals A sub 1, and remember it is going to be plus n minus 1 times the difference, which we now know is negative 3. So in order to do this, I'm just going to pick an ordered pair, not an ordered pair, a term and a value. I'm just going to pick this to plug in and solve. So A sub n, the one I'm looking at right now, is 94. I do not know A sub 1. Remember, 94 is in the 3rd position, and we're going to multiply it by the difference of negative 3. Y'all, we're just solving for A sub 1. So 100 is A sub 1. Now remember, I needed that to find the constant. And the constant is 100 minus the difference. So the constant is going to be 100 minus a negative 3. So the constant is going to be 103. And that's everything we need now to write the formula. So the formula is going to be A sub n equals dn plus the constant. And that's it.